In this video, we're taking a closer look at the NoBlu Vision Glasses, a product that boldly claims to block 73% of harmful blue light, reduce dry eyes by 47%, ease screen-induced headaches, improve sleep by preserving melatonin levels, and cut down on glare thanks to an anti-reflective coating. At first glance, these glasses seem like a dream solution for anyone glued to a screen all day, but when I looked beyond the flashy promises, things started to feel off. A number of user reviews online felt oddly generic, overly positive, and repeated across multiple platforms, raising questions about their authenticity. On top of that, the marketing strategy used by the brand is extremely aggressive, pushing urgency and emotion in a way that seems more about pressure than value. I also noticed claims of media coverage from well-known outlets, but I couldn't find any real articles or verified mentions to back it up. One of the biggest red flags, though, is the endorsement by someone labeled as a doctor, yet I couldn't find any solid proof of their medical credentials or affiliation, which puts the whole medical angle into doubt. Now, while I'm not saying the glasses don't work at all, maybe they help some people to a degree, these concerns are enough to make you pause before hitting that purchase button. It's one of those products that sounds good on paper, but the deeper you go, the more questions pop up, and that's something worth thinking about before you spend your money.